Hello everyone, my name is Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today we'll be making a very special Konkani dish with turmeric leaves. The name of the dish is Patoli. Patoli means to spread. To spread the batter on the leaf and steam it with the stuffing. Turmeric leaves are easily available in Mangalore store all over India. And also we can procure it online too. Some of you may be growing it in your gardens. So you can use these leaves to make this sweet. So let's start making the patoli. The ingredients required are rice. I have taken 3/4 bowl in this. Some coconut scraping depending on how many leaves you have and how much you want to make. Jaggery, some salt, cardamom powder, a little ghee, water for making the syrup of jaggery. And of course, we are making patoli, so we need turmeric leaf. If you don't have turmeric leaf, you can make with the plantain leaf also. You can cut into sizes like this, and when you're spreading, you spread it and then you close it with the plantain leaf like this and steam it. Because this is turmeric leaf, we are going to spread it like this and fold. Okay, so for this you need to soak the rice at least for 2 to 3 hours so that your patoli is soft and nice to eat. For that, I have already soaked the rice in water. Now it's soaked well. I'm going to discard all this water because we are not going to add too much water. First we will discard everything. When we require, we'll add little, and looking at the consistency, I will show you. In the mixie jar, I have taken the soaked rice. I'm going to add some coconut scraping in that and 2 big pinch of salt, or you can take half a teaspoon salt. I'm going to grind this mixture and make it into a very smooth paste. See, I didn't add any water. This is very coarse. So you have to now add little water, not too much. Just add little by little. First I'm going to add only this much. Let me see now once we grind how it will. Now you can see it's turned to smooth. I want it little more smoother and it's very thick. So you can add few more spoons of water. That is 2 or 3 tablespoons of water again. Now can you see this? It should not be too flowy because it will run out of the leaf when we spread it. So it should be thick, but not too thick, not too flowy. It should be of this consistency. So we have this batter ready. For the stuffing, we will take jaggery, salt, coconut scraping, cardamom powder, little ghee. Now I have taken a kadai, kept it on high. Now what I am going to do is, either you can powder this jaggery or use powdered jaggery. Since I have this cubes, I am going to make syrup out of this by adding a little bit of water and then adding all the jaggery cubes. We have to let this melt now. Simmer the gas, and in this boiling water it will slowly get melted. Now we have got a syrup. As you can see, the jaggery is boiling. At this point, switch off the gas and add the coconut scraping, a pinch of salt, cardamom powder, a teaspoon of ghee, and nicely mix it. The mixture looks like this. Our stuffing is ready. I have placed the steamer. In all Konkani homes, we have a steamer called Pedavane. This is the container. It has got a plate, perforated plate. I'm placing it there. And it has got a lid. Any kind of steamer is useful. You need not have this. You can do it with the idli steamer also. I have taken water in such a way, when we place this perforated plate into the steamer, the water level should be 1 inch below this plate. It should not come above this plate. If it comes above this plate, then the patoli will get mixed with water and all the batter will run. Close the lid and switch on the gas till it steams. I have washed this turmeric leaf and wiped it clean. So it's now ready to use. There is 2 methods of spreading the batter on the leaf. The first method is pouring the batter and doing this way so that it spreads evenly. The batter has spread equally on the leaf. Another method, simpler method, if you are not able to do that way, take the batter and just like a dosa you spread. Both the types it is the same. That's what I said. The consistency of the batter should be just right. Take the stuffing, spread batter. Now what you have to do is close it and gently press it so that it gets locked. The ingredients inside this will get locked. The steamer is now ready Can you see? Lot of steam coming out. Now I will arrange the patoli one by one into the steamer. Reduce the flame when you do this because the steam may hurt you. Just arrange it like this. The batter will not come out of this because it will get sealed. As you can see, we have stacked the patoli and now it is ready for steaming. Increase the flame to high because now the water should boil and nice steam should come out, and then we close the lid. Keep it this way till the color of the leaves changes. I think it will take at least half an hour to steam. We will check after half an hour. The water is steaming, so we'll reduce the flame to medium now. The patolis have been steaming for half an hour. Now let's check whether they are cooked. As you can see, the color has changed from dark green to transparent. So I think the patolis are cooked now. And if you open this, you can see that you can separate the patoli. That means it is cooked. So now we'll take it out and I will show you how they look. When we open the leaf, the patoli looks like this. The batter is cooked outside. It's coating the stuffing inside. Let's plate it. Patoli is ready to eat. Enjoy it with ghee. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification.